This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You open Google Pay and go straight to the account that holds the yearly transactions you want to clear. Once done, make sure your phone is unlocked and connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data so changes sync. Tap the profile icon, then select Payments or Activity. This puts you at the list of transactions. You do this because deleting locally isn't enough. Google keeps synced records unless you remove them from the correct account and view. Now narrow the list. Use the filter or search to set the exact year and scan entries. You should tap each transaction to review details and confirm it's eligible for removal. Some linked receipts or subscriptions require separate steps. If a payment is associated with a bank record or a merchant refund, handle that first because deleting the Google Pay record won't affect bank statements. Take action on one item at a time so you don't miss linked data that blocks deletion. Delete entries from the transaction details screen by tapping Remove or Delete and confirm when prompted. This removes the visible record from Google Pay. Once deleted, make sure changes synced. If not, force a sync by closing the app or clearing app cache and restarting. If transactions reappear, remove the Google account from the phone and re-add it, which forces a fresh sync. If you still see records in Google account activity or backups, contact Google support. That resolves cloud-retained items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.